Good morning. September 4th, 2023, Murphy, North Carolina. The fog is lifting on this beautiful day, destined to go to 89 degrees. That's why we're here early in the morning, doing this now, because it's gonna be a warm one. Now, as you can tell, I kind of like steel targets. They're beautiful, but not all steel targets are created the same. Some they really take nice care of in manufacturing. Others, they leave a little detail. Now today we're going to clean up an AR500 IDPA target. It's the shape of the IDPA, just a little bit smaller. Now, beautiful target, nice, love it, but it has edges on it. Now, evidently they used a CNC plasma cutter, and does beautiful, nice cut. But it leaves a little edge that you need to grind off. Oh, geez. Oh, heavy sucker. Oh, all right. I don't know if you can see it. Doesn't matter, because you'll see it. But, yeah, there's edge. Little edge. Now I was taking this down and I cut my trigger finger. That will not do. So now I got to clean this puppy up. Oh, there we go. So, as Banana Ballistic says, it's time to grind. That wasn't too bad. And of course, I'm putting on the gloves. I usually don't use gloves, but I want to portray safety. Safety first. And, wow. Sorry, there's fog. It's hitting the asthma. Breathe, breathe. Yes, breathe, my pasty friend. So, very important eye protection. Not only, well, Bruce, you got glasses on. Well, that's part of the protection too. Some of these sparks will pit glasses. Take it from there. So, but Bruce, it's just a little cut. I don't need protection. Yeah, it's only a quickie. I don't need a condom. Eye protection. Now, when you grind, don't do the because you tend to gouge. You want a shallower angle. Shallow. Go easy. Now, it's not good to direct it flat unless you're very, very experienced, because it will walk away on you. And matter of fact, if you're not used to grinders and this kind of stuff, just leave it to somebody else. Don't do it. You'll just glut up the emergency room, and they're getting ready for the next pandemic. So we don't want you to do that. All right, let's zoom down on there. Our disaster du jour. That good? That's good. That good? Good. Yes. All right. Okay, we want a little leeway so we can watch those sparks. Straight, level enough for the OCDs? Good. Alright, let's grind this puppy. So I'm just going to take off that edge so I don't cut my trigger finger again. And of course it's loaded with lead, because the spalling will also catch on that little lip. So you get the double whammy of the cut and the lead in the cut. We're surrounded by lead, it doesn't matter. We still have leaded gasoline, you know. But it's not in the cars, Bruce. No, you're right. Every time a prop airplane goes overhead, they're still burning leaded gasoline. So that show-off acrobat over your town, he's spraying you with lead, which kind of leads into the contrails theory or conspiracy. They're actually partially right. It's just the propeller planes showering lead on you. Anyway, doesn't matter. We're so poisoned anyway. Let's get to grinding. Enough of politics. All right. Safety, safety. Here we go. Alright. And as you can tell, I'm making it so the sparks go away from me, not into me. I don't want to change pants today, so I'm trying to stay clean. Back to it. Alright. Oh, yes! That is nice. I'm going to clean up this edge a little bit. And a touch there. But we'll do that after we leave you. So, quick and easy. Clean up your targets, avoid cutting your hands. And whenever you're back in Murphy, North Carolina, don't forget to visit Cherokee Guns. Show them some love. Tell them Bruce sent you. Yeah. I gotta get you a shot of them. Tell them Bruce sent you. Doc's always up to some craziness at the store. And he always has a billboard coming into town that you can't miss, pissing off liberals left and right. Anyway, from Murphy, North Carolina, drink more shine and eat more bacon. See ya.